Snapdragon 8 Elite Mobile Platform. Overview. The Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform represents the pinnacle of Snapdragon innovation, our industry-leading mobile platform. With Qualcomm Oryon CPU debuting in our mobile roadmap, we are delivering unprecedented performance. This significance deserves a new, special, most premium variant of our leading 8 series, Snapdragon 8 Elite. The Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform is performance transformed. The Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform is performance transformed, revolutionizing your on-device experiences with unparalleled processing power, groundbreaking AI enhancements, and an array of never-before-seen mobile innovations. Our custom-built Qualcomm Oryon CPU delivers astonishing speeds and efficiency to bolster and extend every interaction. This platform further enhances your extraordinary experiences with on-device AI, including multimodal general AI and personalization, capable of supporting voice, text, and image prompts, and now can even see what you see via your camera live view. Entertainment soars to new heights with lifelike mobile gaming, fueled by the Qualcomm Adreno GPU's newly sliced architecture. Whether you're gaming or grooving, amplify your everyday with uninterrupted audio delivering expansive, whole-building bandwidth. Plus, our brand new AI ISP is directly fused with the Qualcomm Hexagon NPU, introducing limitless possibilities by enhancing capture in real time. Revel in these features and more, from virtually anywhere, with cutting-edge AI-backed 5G and Wi-Fi 7 capabilities, empowering on-the-go entertainment and productivity. Powerhouse Qualcomm Oryon CPU defines a new mobile era. The first-in-mobile Qualcomm Oryon CPU delivers a 45% performance boost, 44% greater power efficiency, and the mobile industry's largest shared data cache. Our Qualcomm Adreno GPU with newly sliced architecture achieves 40% enhanced performance and 40% improved efficiency. System-wide, experience an overall power savings of 27%. Multimodal general AI at your fingertips. The Qualcomm AI engine boasts the fastest Qualcomm Hexagon NPU, delivering a 45% AI performance improvement and 45% better performance per watt. Plus, multimodal general AI support and longer token inputs will help you become an expert on any topic. AI-powered camera redefines photography. Our AI ISP is directly fused with the Qualcomm Hexagon NPU to offer industry-leading camera features, like limitless semantic segmentation at 4K resolution. Plus, our on-device video object eraser can remove unwanted elements from videos, while Insight AI provides real-time skin and sky adjustments to create more natural color and lighting in uncertain conditions. Power and efficiency for revolutionary gaming. Mobile-first support for Unreal Engine 5's Nanite solution enables astonishing film-quality 3D environments in smartphone gaming, while maximizing efficiency. Plus, support for Unreal's Chaos Physics engine delivers lifelike object interactions and simulations, even in complex scenes. Studio-quality audio. Our Snapdragon sound technology suite with Qualcomm aptX lossless technology delivers up to 24-bit 48 kHz Bluetooth music streaming and up to 24-bit 96 kHz Wi-Fi music streaming. Qualcomm Expanded Personal Area Network (XPAN) technology enables whole building untethered audio coverage, aided by ultra-low-power Wi-Fi 7. Fully integrated, AI-enhanced connectivity. The Snapdragon X85G modem RF system with a dedicated AI tensor accelerator achieves multi-gigabit 5G speeds in more places with the first 4x6 MIMO solution, and 30% more accurate location positioning. And, our 40% more efficient Qualcomm Fast Connect 7900 mobile connectivity system is the first to integrate Wi-Fi ranging, Bluetooth wireless technology, and UWB proximity technologies for object tracking, building access control, and more. All comparisons made to previous generation. Features. Our Qualcomm AI engine includes Qualcomm Hexagon NPU with 45% improved performance and 45% better performance per watt. On-device personalization and multimodal support. Qualcomm Sensing Hub understands personal context that allows your multimodal general AI assistant to make suggestions and decisions that suit you best. Support for all precisions INT4, INT8, INT16, FP16. Qualcomm Oryon CPU features up to 45% improved CPU performance and 44% more power efficiency. Qualcomm Oryon CPU is custom-built with the fastest mobile CPU speeds up to 4.32 GHz. Largest shared cache in mobile industry. Qualcomm Adreno GPU delivers up to 40% improved performance and 40% better power efficiency. Adreno GPU's sliced architecture delivers astonishing graphics and realistic environments, while helping maximize performance and battery power. Up to 27% overall society power savings. Full suite of Snapdragon Elite gaming features. Unreal Engine 5.3 with Nanite produces film-quality 3D environments for total immersion. Qualcomm Adaptive Performance Engine 4.0 improves device power efficiency by optimizing game thread scheduling strategy on Snapdragon platforms. Real-time hardware accelerated ray tracing delivers improved lighting and shadows, now with 35% better ray tracing. Snapdragon Game Super Resolution 2.0 provides higher quality and lower latency, 1 meter per second upscaling for your mobile games with incredible visuals and providing better performance. Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0 doubles the frame rate of games, with little impact to power, so gamers can enjoy the benefits of high frame rates without worrying about their battery life. Featuring our integrated Snapdragon X85G modem RF system. Blazing download speeds up to 10 gigabit per second for effortless entertainment and constant productivity. Qualcomm 5G AI processor Gen 2 with dedicated tensor hardware accelerator Qualcomm 5G AI Suite Gen 3. 6RX delivers breakthrough connectivity performance. Qualcomm Fast Connect 7900 mobile connectivity system. 40% improved power savings from previous generation. AI-optimized Wi-Fi 7 built for extreme power efficiency. Snapdragon Location Suite. AI-based GNSS Location Gen 3 for improved location positioning. Our Qualcomm Spectra AI ISP features. Limitless real-time semantic segmentation for photo-video frame. Insight AI provides real-time skin and sky adjustments to create more natural color and lighting in uncertain conditions. Ultra-low light video capture. Video object eraser can remove unwanted elements from videos. Real-time AI relighting make you appear professional wherever you are. TruePic photo capture with C2PA standard support lets you snap a photo with TruePic's cryptographic seal to prove the photo is real and not general AI.